energy that you think flows. There was a time when Lord Sriman Narayan said, I am one. He thought, I am one, I want to be many. Lord Sriman Narayan thought, I am one, I want to be many. At that point when he was one, then it was only the spiritual world. Then when he thought, I want to be many, there appeared a cloud in the spiritual world called the Mahat Tattva. And in that cloud, all these universes appeared like footballs suspended in the air. And he entered each universe. Countless universes. He entered in each one of them. He lay in the water, cosmic water, and from his navel sprouted a lotus. On that lotus, Brahma was born. And that lotus is the sum total of karma of every living entity in that particular lotus. So karma is the driver for the creation of the universe. No karma, no material universe. So karma is the driver and the doer is the three gunas, not you. Doer is the three gunas. So your karma plus the three gunas is your destiny. Karma plus the three gunas is your destiny. Your destiny cannot be changed. It is cast in stone. And all the destinies together is the fuel for this universe. All the destinies together is the fuel for this universe. So you cut a goat, the goat cuts you. Life for no escape. And this is why Lord Buddha, Lord Narayan incarnated as Lord Buddha. Because everyone was, for every thing, they were sacrificing, and then it went out of order. And Lord Buddha, Lord Sriman Narayan incarnated as Buddha and decried the Vedas. He rejected the Vedas because it was easier for him to reject the Vedas than teach the Vedas at that point in time. So when people were killing willy-nilly away, Romeo's gang. That's our secret code. I think I won't know who we're talking about. We're talking about Howie Romeo.
Yeah. No, just kidding.
Guruji, associated with sacrifice is there a little bit of sacrifice where an animal is sacrificed but for immolation and the meat is not consumed by the person or people that are around during the sacrifice?
Okay, this is the greatest misinterpretation of sacrifice. So I said mantras. Mantras are frequencies. And when a Pancharatra Agama Pandit or priest is learning his mantras, then he looks for a sick animal. And in practicing his mantras, he throws the sick animal into the fire. If his mantra is perfect, the animal will come out healed. And if he has a problem with his mantra, that animal was in a condition where it got saved by being put into the fire. Swami, that's the only reason animals were put in fire. Right? No other reason. It was to perfect their mantra. All of you understand? No animal sacrifice per se. No animal sacrifice per se. In Kali Yuga, there are only a handful of Pancharatra Agama priests. That is why they say only Sankirtana Yajna in Kali Yuga. It was very difficult to find. I think Guruji, our Guruji, my Guruji, our Siksha Guru, he perfected all the mantras. He used to dig a hole and ask people to bury him Vasan. How many days? 40 days. Guruji, Swami Sudarshanacharya Maharaj, Faridabad, India, my Guru. To dig a deep hole and go and get buried and come out after 40 days. He used to live through his mantras. Live through his mantras. He perfected all the mantras. In Kali Yuga, people will abuse the mantras. Yes? Who can you trust in Kali Yuga? Sacrifice means, Irene, sacrifice your money, sacrifice your time, sacrifice your energy for God. Not sacrifice an animal. Sacrifice your time, sacrifice your money, and sacrifice your energy for God. That is proper sacrifice. So coming back, Buddhism spread throughout India and animal sacrifices stopped. But the teachings of the Vedas was disconnected through the teachings of Lord Buddha. And this is the uniqueness of Sanatana Dharma. So God spoke a lie. Was that lie that He spoke a beneficial lie or a non-beneficial lie? So He spoke a lie and He saved animal sacrifice. But now He needed to rectify. So He sent Lord Shiva as Adi Shankar Acharya. So Lord Buddha decried the Vedic injunctions, and Adi Shankar Acharya brought in the Advaita philosophy. Advaita philosophy, where he said, you are God. Lord Buddha said there is no God, and now Adi Shankar Acharya is saying you are God. Which proposition you will take? Shivani? Buddha said no God. Adi Shankar Acharya said you are God. Which proposition you will take, Goddess? Shivani? Which proposition you will take? Don't look at your mother. She's on the other side of God. How appealing is that proposition when somebody tells you you are God? How appealing is that proposition? As opposed to somebody saying they know God, generally, but specifically saying you are God. Which proposition you take? Goddess Jessica? You rather be God, then generally there is no God. And that is the Advaita philosophy. Advaita philosophy means that you are God, you broke up into many souls, and as each soul gets liberated, you merge back into God. So what happened to Buddhism? Everyone in India became God. What happened to Buddhism? Went to China. Went to China. But is everyone God?
No.
So what had to happen?
The truth had to be told.
So Sankarsana, the second incarnation of Lord Sriman Narayan, took his birth as Lord Sri Ramanuj 1007 years ago, and he re-established the Vedas as compiled by Vedavyas. He did not create a philosophy. He did not change anything. He re-established the Vedas of Vedavyas. That's all he did. Re-establish the Vedas. Vedas don't allow for all these funny gurus that come and make all these Pajya philosophies. What philosophies? Pajya philosophies. But that is the uniqueness of Sanatana Dharma. So the absolute truth is diverted by many gurus. You all know right now there's one guru who does tilak. And he got sheep following him around the world. And his philosophy is opposite that of Lord Sri Ramanuj. Look at the irony. He takes his initiation in the Sri Sampradaya. When you take initiation from a guru, whose philosophy you must follow, or whose truth you must follow. So if you took your initiation in the Sri Ramanuj Sampradaya and you put this dot, which truth you must expound. But if you accept a truth which Ramanuj rejected in the Brahma Sutras, are you in line with the Guru principle? Are you in transgression with the Guru? Can you be in line and in transgression simultaneously with your Guru? Can you wear your Guru's tilak? Can you carry your Guru's name? But this man is moving around the world at this present time. Now he created his own sampradaya which is not in the Vedas. He created his own sampradaya which is not in the Vedas, and now his devotees are calling him an avatar. They're saying he's an avatar because he is black and Krishna was, then who is our Vasan? Darling, don't laugh, you're not much fairer than him. Darling, you come sit next to Vasan. Tanya's blood is boiling, I'm cackling a boy. Tanya, blood is boiling? Okay. So this is Sanatana Dharma. Gurus take you away from the truth and other gurus bring you to the truth. And then gurus take you away from the truth, and this is what the Brahma Sutras are about. Brahma Sutras is Veda Vyas realigning the Absolute. And any bona fide spiritual master must know the Brahma Sutras backwards and forwards. If you want to test, no murdering in my ashram, so even if the mosquito drank your blood. Sorry? Well, when the Guru says you did it, yes, you have to take that up. Then you're a disciple. Alright? One day, Dana, well, I want to talk about this. The first Indian wedding I went to in my life, was on time. Was on time. Right? First Indian wedding in South Africa, I don't know in India what's the story, but we did attend one Indian wedding in India. Alright? In South Africa, first wedding, I was so proud because both of them were my disciples. And they getting married on time. And I'm waiting for Vasan. I'm waiting for Vasan. He comes 15 minutes late. And I whacked him for 2 years. And he took the whacking, he never said his uncle Dana took him off route. That's what you call a disciple. When Guru says black is white, what you must say? Yes. Okay. So we are lucky to be in the Sri Sampradaya because it is only here that the Vedas is presented as it is. It is only here as it really is. Because if I say as it is, there's another Guru who said as it is, but as it is not. So we have to qualify by saying as it really is. So I said, and I keep saying, that a photon has very negligible mass. And if you extract the mass of a photon, this entire universe will collapse. Can anyone change the Vedas, which is eternal? No one is allowed to change the Vedas. How do we know that? Isha, you'll be rich. Now concentrate. This is happy, now she'll concentrate. Carrying a few bags of cement won't make you rich, Isha. Laborers around the world carry cement and they die laborers. Now I made us sad again. Wasn't that Lexus is troubling that girl. I told you don't buy that car. Well, yesterday, today is Sunday. Tisha, you might just get rich, you are a sharp thinker. So, following the right Guru is important. Not any Guru. You must analyze that Guru, you must check that Guru, you must check his status, you must check what he wants, you must check where he came from, and you must check where he's going to take you. Most of the Gurus are taking you into the big bush. Yes?
Yes.
You know why Gurus got helicopters? They fly around the world, riding on a motorcycle, flying in helicopters, opening big yoga classes in the West. That is not in the Bhagavad Gita. Summary of the Vedas in Kali Yuga is the Bhagavad Gita. And if any Guru is not inside the parameters of the Bhagavad Gita, then he is not a Guru, he is a cheater. And who will follow a cheater? Irene, who will follow a cheetah? I said everything works with frequency. If you're a cheetah disciple Krishna, you will connect to a cheetah. Make sense? Everything is an equation, it's mathematics. Okay? So, this is how this cycle from the past 5,000 years works. And if you follow any writing of Ramanuj, Lord Sri Ramanuj, then you are following the exact writing of Veda Vyas. And Veda Vyas is the only authentic compiler of the Vedas. Nobody else. I didn't say author. Did I say author? I said compiler. Vedas have no author. Vedas have no author. It is the essence of the Supreme Lord Himself. Supreme Lord does not trust anyone. That is why He incarnates timelessly and enacts the Vedas Himself. He lives the Vedas. As Lord Ram, He lived the Vedas. As Lord Krishna, He lived the Vedas. In all His incarnations, He lives the Vedas Himself because He don't trust cheats. Humans are cheats. Are they not cheats? So Sanatana Dharma is the only system in the world where God comes down to planet Earth and lives on Earth and teaches on Earth. Okay. Any other question? We're just trying to liven up, right? You know, it's this period 3 to 4 is when the universe takes you down, right? So ask some sharp questions and then at 3 o'clock, I will come again. And from 3 to 4, we'll listen to his bhajans and then we'll do another parikrama. You saw the parikrama refreshed you? Tanya's mom was going through dream state. You know what she was dreaming? What will be the gender of her grandchild? I'm sure she doesn't want another Tanya. One Tanya is enough to live many lifetimes, not one, many lifetimes. Karen? Poor boy. Kali. She's not wanting. Ryan, we'll meet in a few years again. Any more questions? Jessica, Tivashni, Ashmika, Vasan, Irene, Shivani, Trisha, besides getting rich, any other questions? Well, they are the product of karma. Tanya, you look very fine without your makeup. I'm frightened to see you in that morning. Right? I don't know, maybe I'm seeing things better. But it's frightening, Tanya. I'm really seeing the eyebrow. Okay, my class is awake, Bhaiya. You can hear the loud laughter at the expense of Tanya Singh. Any questions? We got 5 minutes more.
Lord Narayan, he takes the form of Mohini. When does that happen? How does it happen?
Long story, I can't say it in 5 minutes. But a beautiful woman can create havoc. Yes?
Yes.
And Mohini distracted the demons. Mohini distracted the demons. You know? Tanya, nobody said you're beautiful, why you blush? Mohini.
No.
Mohini Tanya Ramanujit Singh. You know the soul has no gender. All of you know. If you die thinking of your wife, next lifetime you'll become a you'll become a wife. Alright? So when you die in your last thought, make sure it's not of your wife. Ryan, you die in fear of your wife. Next lifetime you'll become a fearful wife. Okay, bye. Until 4. In the meantime, think of questions. How long? Who's going to Baki? What is Baki? How many buckets we got?
What? That is always 10 liter. I have 10 liter. You have the 10 liter?
10 liter?
No, that's the
Only
full
was the
time.
anchors.
Oh, here we go. 20 liter. I didn't even see that.
We just watched the 2 anchors, what about the rest of the boat?
So, dear brothers and sisters and children, we'd like to, at this time, honor our revered Acharyaji, especially for you.
Thank you very much.
गुरुदेव मेरी तुमको भक्तों ने पुकारा गुरुदेव मेरी तुमको भक्तों ने पुकारा आओ जावे दी तू सहारा गुरुदेव मेरे तुमको
राहो गुरुदेव मेरे तुमको भक्तों ने पुकारा है आओ बजाओ तेरा तू सहारा है गुरुदेव मेरे तुमको भक्तों ने पुकारा है मझधार परे नैया डगमोल ढोला कहीं मिल जाओ हम अब पर हम भाव से जाएं बिन तेरे नहीं जग में एक पल भी गुजारा नहीं गुरुदेव मेरे तुमको भक्तों ने पुकारा है आओ अब जाओ तेरा सहारा है गुरुदेव मेरे तुमको भक्तों ने पुकारा है तेरी चरणों की झलकी दिलगी जो मिल जाए पर तक हुए है राहों नीचे मंजिल जाए किस्मत भी चमके भी जो चमके सितारा है गुरुदेव मेरे तुमको भक्तों ने पुकारा है आओ अब जाओ एक तेरे सहारा हो गुरुदेव मेरे तुमको भक्तों ने पुकारा है सेवा गुरु चरणन की मुक्ति पवित्रन की महिमा गुरु वर्णम की क्या ताशुभ कर्मन की गुरु ज्ञान संजीवन की बहती दहारा गुरुदेव मेरे तुमको भक्तों ने पुकारा है आओ अब जाओ तेरे सहारा है गुरुदेव मेरे तुमको भक्तों ने पुकारा है सम गुरु शक्ति को कोई पार नहीं पाए दो दर्शन अब गुरुवार चरणों में जाए ये वक्त सदर करता गुणगान तुम्हारा है गले मेरे को तूने पुकारा है आओ अब जाओ तेरा सहारा है गले मेरे तुमको तूने पुकारा है गले मेरे तुमको तूने पुकारा है गुरुदेव मेरे तुमको तूने पुकारा केशव कृष्ण दामोदर केशव कृष्ण दामोदर राम नारायण जानकी वल्लभ कौन कहती है भगवान ने आते नहीं कौन कहती है भगवान ने आते नहीं हमें मेरा के जैसे बुलाते मेरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं कौन कहती है भगवान ने खाते नहीं कौन कहती है भगवान ने खाते नहीं तेरे शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं खिलाती नहीं केशव कृष्ण दामोदर केशव कृष्ण दामोदर नारायण जानकी वल्लभ राम नारायण जानकी वल्लभ में सोते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान में सोते नहीं, और यशोदा की जैसे सुलाते नहीं, और यशोदा की जैसे सुलाते नहीं, मैं यशोदा की जैसे सुलाते नहीं, मैं यशोदा की जैसे सुलाते नहीं, अच्युताय केशवाय कृष्णदामोदराय, अच्युताय केशवाय कृष्णदामोदराय, राम नारायण जानकी वल्लभ, राम नारायण जानकी वल्लभ, कहती है भगवान ने नाचते नहीं, कौन कहती है भगवान ने नाचते नहीं, गोपियों की तेरा हमने चाहते नहीं, गोपियों की तेरा हम चाहते नहीं, अच्युताय केशवाय कृष्णदामोदराय, अच्युताय केशवाय कृष्णदामोदराय, राम नारायण जानकी वल्लभ, राम नारायण जानकी वल्लभ, गाते चलो, कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल गाते चलो, नाम जपते चलो, काम करते चलो, नाम जपते चलो, काम करते चलो, अच्युताय केशवाय कृष्णदामोदराय, अच्युताय केशवाय कृष्णदामोदराय, जानकी बल्लभ गोपियों की तेरा अमृत चाहते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जिसे सिलाते नहीं देर शक्ति की जिसे सिलाते नहीं हमें मेरा की जिसे
So, dear brothers and sisters and children, once more we'd like to present a short bhajan.
तेरे चितम बहती है गई धारा शंकर तेरे चितम बहती है गई धारा तरी गत्तर के अंदर जिमीरे तेरे जारा शंकर तेरे चितम बहती है गई धारा शंकर तेरे चितम शशि बाल में राजे गली मुंडी नाचे शशि बाल में राजे डमरू की नावे भाजे डमरू की नावे भाजे करीने त्रिशूल धारा शंकर तेरे चितम बहती है गई धारा कली गत्तर के अंदर जिमीरे तेरे उजारा शंकर तेरे चितम शंकर तेरे चितम कति बांधे नागे पासी तेजती तेज राशि कति बांधे नागे पासी गिरच संवेदासी गिरच संवेदासी सर्वे विश्विकीय धारा शंकर तेरे जपानी बहती की गंगाधारा शंकर तेरे जपानी शंकर तेरे जपानी वृषराज ने संभाली वृषराज ने संभाली निज भक्त के हाथ निज भक्त के हाथ के आश में विहारा शंकर तेरे जपानी शंकर तेरे जपानी तेरे नारा काली गंगे नंद जुमीरे तेरे जारा शंकर तेरे जपानी शंकर तेरे जपानी शिव नाम छुप छाए सब पाप उतारे शिव नाम छुप छाए सब पाप उतारे रमने नीना सारे रमने नीना सारे बड़ी से निपाए तारा शंकर तेरे जपानी बहती की गंगाधारा काली गंगा की नंद जुमीरे तेरे जारा शंकर तेरे जपानी
So, dear brothers and sisters, in the next bhajan we are reminded that if God can forgive all His children, why we cannot forgive each other? So, dear brothers and sisters and children, remember in this lifetime, before our Atma or soul leaves our body, we must have no regrets. We should have forgiven everyone, have no remorse, because if you do that, dear brothers, sisters and children, it means you have unfinished business and you have to join in the cycle of birth and death. So, this bhajan reminds us that you must light the lamp of love while you can. Because after all, we have the highest form of life. Out of the 8,400,000 species of life, we have the highest form of life. So don't lose the opportunity to go down the ranks. Like Acharya Ji says, Acharya Ji is here to guide and protect and give you the path of righteousness. You all are so blessed to have a Guruji, Acharya Ji like the one you have. And that's the message. It makes the bhajan.
ज्योति जगाते चलो, ज्योति से ज्योति जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। राह में आया जदन दिन की, राह में आया जदन दिन की, सबसे गले से लगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। जिसका न कोई संग साथी, ईश्वर ये रखवाला। जो निर्बल है वो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा। प्यार के मोती, प्यार के मोती लुटाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। आशा टूटी, ममता रूठी, छुप गई एक किनारा। बद करो मत दया का, दे दो कुछ तो सहारा। दे दया का, दे दया का चलाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। ज्योति से ज्योति जगाते चलो, ज्योति से ज्योति जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो।
Says Jivan, sisters and children. So I must, not to make this personal, Acharya Ji, not to make this sound personal, but we just come out of a period of Navratri, and guess what? Everything that happened in my life, of course all good things, happened during Navratri. Navratri is very close to myself, dear brothers, sisters and children, for many reasons. Because I was barely 3 when I lost my dad, and when I was 18 I lost my youngest brother, and when I was barely still a teenager I lost my mom. So can you believe who was my strength, my guidance and my protector? The divine. So the message to all of you devotees, the satsangis, do not ever lose faith. Make sure you attend your Sunday satsangs. with Acharyaji, and Acharyaji is here to guide and protect you. So, I would like to pay a tribute to the Divine Mother in this time.
मुझे अपने अचल में छुपा ले, गले से लगा ले कि और मेरा कोई नहीं। माँ मुझे अपनी अचल में छुपा ले, गले से लगा ले कि और मेरा कोई मेरे पास बुला ले, गले से लगा ले कि और मेरा कोई नहीं, कि और मेरा कोई गोद में तेरी आज तक पला, गोद में तेरी आज तक पला, उंगली पकड़ने माँ चला, तेरे बिन मुझको कौन संभाले, गले से लगा ले कि और मेरा कोई मुझे अपनी अचल में छुपा ले, गले से लगा ले कि और मेरा कोई नहीं, कि और मेरा कोई नहीं।
So, dear brothers, sisters and children, in the next bhajan, we are reminded that throughout our lives we are trying to search for peace. But guess what, dear brothers and sisters and children? Peace is right within us, because within us we should have God, see God in each one of us. And the next bhajan reminds us that God is right at the doorstep while looking for peace on the outside. And that's the message in the next bhajan.
तेरे द्वार की राह भगवान हो, तेरे द्वार की राह भगवान बनते बरदीनी शुरू, तेरे द्वार की राह भगवान बनते बरदीनी शुरू। तेरा होगा बड़ा के जुग जुग तेरी रहे शाम भगत परमेश्वर। तेरे द्वार तेरा भगवान भगत परमेश्वर। ओ भगत परमेश्वर। दल तारे सारी धरती डोला गगन की सारा। दल तारे सारी धरती डोला गगन की सारा। भीख मांगे आया तेरे घर जगतल पालन हारे। जगतल पालन हारा। मैं आज तेरा मेहमान मरल से मुझसे जरा पहचान भगत परमेश्वर। तेरे द्वार तेरा भगवान भगत परमेश्वर। ओ भगत परमेश्वर। तारे सर्वर अपना मौन लगे ना मेरा। तारे सर्वर अपना मौन लगे ना मेरा। मिट जाया ये पल में तेरा जन्म जन्म का तेरा जन्म जन्म का तेरा। तू छोड़ सकल अभिमान अमर कर ले पुना अपना धाम भगत परमेश्वर। तेरे द्वार तेरा भगवान भगत परमेश्वर।
What did I do now? I'm sitting here. After Hassan, it's too early in the morning for nonsense.
So, dear brothers and sisters and children, we thank you for remaining silent. So, dear brothers and sisters and children, in the next bhajan, we are reminded once again that whether you have Christian faith, Hindu faith, or Islamic faith, taking the God of your understanding His name on a daily basis will give you peace of mind. When you have peace of mind, dear brothers and sisters and children, it means you have become spiritual. And when you become spiritual, it means you're getting closer to God. And when you get closer to God, it means you're preparing yourself for a better life hereafter. बेटे के दो पिंजरे में पंछी काहे मुस्काए। हम इस जगह में कीड़े तो ये
समझ ना पाए, तू ये समझ ना पाए, तू ये समझ ना पाए। बजने बिना चैन आए रात, इस जीवन की शान, इस जीवन की शान, बजने बिना चैन आए। बोलो बोलो वो माया की आसित पहले, होगी कभी ना होगी कभी ना हुई। कहती कहती भजन प्रभु का, मिट जाएगी दूरी, दूरी मिट जाएगी दूरी। हम तो के साथ साथ सभी प्रभु का नाम भजने बिना चैन आए राम। राधे मुझने अमृत रस का प्याला, शाम सवेरे पीना, पीना शाम सवेरे
लेना इसको पी के सारा जीवन मस्ती में जीना जीना मस्ती में जीना भक्ति करे तो भक्ति करे तो बन जाएंगी अपनी बिगड़ कामना भजने चैन इसे जीने की शान इसे जीने की शान बचने बिना चैन फिर बोलो बोलो राधे श्याम बोलो राम राम बोलो 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 So, dear brothers and sisters and children, you know, standing in front of Ma Saraswati, inasmuch as we all have been given a voice to sing the Lord's praises, we also need to dance. Don't you agree, Acharya-ji? We need to dance.
Arina Prakash, please open the dance.
Yeah. So, we humbly ask all of you to keep the momentum going. I know our genre and bhajans are all very laid back, but we like to sing in Gujarati, Garba. Please dance. Please dance with dance. So I'm also a DJ, by the way. So please come on the dance floor. I'll join you, okay? See, Acharya-ji says you must dance, you must dance. Come on, 1, 2, 3. Lovely, see. Yes, good. Come on, everyone. न जाने भाव गावे महाकाली से मिलके के न कर्म खेलेंगे महाकाली से मिलके के न कर्म खेलेंगे पंक्तियात न जाने भाव गावे पंक्तियात न जाने भाव गावे महाकाली से मिलके के न कर्म खेलेंगे महाकाली से मिलके के न कर्म खेलेंगे पंक्तिया ओ पंक्तिया पंक्तिया ओ पंक्तिया
Wonderful. Hands in the air, like a kid.
मरो गाँव को सुते जाई तेरी आंगड़ी मरो गाँव को सुते जाई तेरी आंगड़ी महाकाली कुंदे बजनावड़ी महाकाली कुंदे बजनावड़ी हे अच्छी लाओ सुंदर लाओ जल्दी आवड़ी हे अच्छी लाओ सुंदर लाओ जल्दी आवड़ी महाकाली से मिलके के न कर्म खेलेंगे महाकाली से मिलके के न कर्म खेलेंगे पंकीरा ओ पंकीरा पंकीरा पंकीरा
Hands in the air.
मरो गाँव को सुते भाई बेगे आवड़ी महागाँव को सुते भाई बेगे आवड़ी महाकाली कुंदे बजनावड़ी महाकाली कुंदे बजनावड़ी हे अच्छी लाओ सुंदर लाओ जल्दी आवड़ी हे अच्छी लाओ सुंदर लाओ जल्दी आवड़ी महाकाली से मिलके के न कर्म खेलेंगे महाकाली से मिलके के न कर्म खेलेंगे पंक्तिया ओ पंक्तिया पंक्तिया ओ पंक्तिया
Someone's in the mood to dance. And Acharji was singing Symphony of the Sleep, huh?
मरो गाँव को बजी भाई जल्दी आवड़ी महागाँव को बजी भाई जल्दी आवड़ी महाकाली सुंदर सुंदर लावड़ी महाकाली सुंदर 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 लावड़ी हे अच्छी लाओ सुंदर लाओ जल्दी आवड़ी हे अच्छी लाओ सुंदर लाओ जल्दी आवड़ी महाकाली से मिलके के न कर्म खेलेंगे महाकाली से मिलके के न कर्म खेलेंगे पंक्तिया 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 पंक्तिया
Avir, yes? Avir. Come. Avir and partner.
मरो गाँव को बजी भाई जल्दी आवड़ी महागाँव को बजी भाई जल्दी आवड़ी महाकाली
आवरी हे अच्छी लावो सुंदर लावो चली आवरी महाकाली से मिलके न कैद करेंगे महाकाली से मिलके न कैद करेंगे पंखीरा 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 पंखीरा.
What about you men in the back? Come, sir. No, come and dance. You were born to dance. Come. Come. As you were born to sing, you were also born to dance.
मरोगा को सुने जय जल्दी आवरी मरोगा को सुमर भाई जल्दी आवरी महाकाल की प्यारे गर्भोलावरी महाकाल की माई प्यारे गर्भोलावरी है अच्छी लाओ सुंदर लाओ जल्दी आवरी है अच्छी लाओ सुंदर लाओ जल्दी आवरी महाकाली से मिलके न कैद करेंगे महाकाली से मिलके न कैद करेंगे पंखीरा न जाने भाव गावरे पंखीरा न जाने भाव गावरे महाकाली से मिलके न कैद करेंगे महाकाली से मिलके न कैद करेंगे पंखीरा Pangira, Pangira, oh 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 Pangira. Pangira, oh Pangira, Pangira, oh Pangira, Pangira, oh Pangira, Pangira, oh Pangira, Pangira, oh Pangira.
A big hand to all the dancers. Wonderful, thank you. That's a very good sportsmanship. Just to keep you, the mind awake. So, dear brothers and sisters, we are so blessed, once again, just to repeat also, to have Acharya Ji in your lives. Remember, in this life, until you don't find a guru or an Acharya Ji as Acharya Ji himself, you will be lost. And that's what the next tribute to Acharya Ji is. The devotees, the satsangis have been looking for their guidance. And thanks to you, you are here to guide them.
We didn't pay him anything, we didn't. He came with his own petrol pisha.
मैं तेरा द्वार न ढूंढ सका गुरु जी भटक रहा हूँ दगरे दगरे
You can do the slow dance. It's a ballad. It's a ballad. Come.
वो भूल न
तक छुपाया जो भूल शराने वो भूल अब तक छुपाया जो भूल शराने मैं तेरा द्वार न ढूंढ सका मैं तेरा द्वार न ढूंढ सका गुरुजी पत्रकार देगे देगे वो भूल न अभी तक छुपाया जो भूल शहानी वो भूल न अभी तक छुपाया जो भूल शहानी है मैं तेरा द्वार न ढूंढ सका मैं तेरा द्वार न ढूंढ सका गुरुजी बत यहाँ हो बत देंगे वो भूल न अब तक छुपाया जो भूल शहानी है तुम पर मन तुझको अर्पण कर न सका तुझ में दोष रहा होगा मन तुझको अर्पण कर न सका मैं तुझको मुझको देख रहा कब से मैं तेरा दर्शन कर न सका हर दिन हर पल चलता रहता संग्राम कहीं मन की बीत मैं तेरा द्वार न ढूंढ सका मैं तेरा ढूंढ सका गुरुजी बत रहा हो देगे देगे वो भूल न अभी तक छुपाया जो भूल शहानी है
Make the circle bigger now.
क्या दुख क्या सुख सब बोली मेरी मैं उलझा हुई न बातों में क्या दुख क्या सुख सब बोली मेरी मैं उलझा हुई न बातों में दिन खोया शाने सोने में सोया में बेसुध रातों में तब ध्यान किया मैंने तेरा टकराया पग से जब पत्थर मैं तेरा द्वार न ढूंढ सका मैं तेरा द्वार न ढूंढ सका गुरुजी
पत कहाँ हो देगे देगे वो फूल नवे तक छुपाया जो फूल शहानी है तुम।
Where are you walking to now? It's so nice to see a dance like this for a Sunday morning.
मेरी धूप छाव के बीच की माटी की तेरे को ये प्यार मेरी धूप छाव के बीच की माटी के तेरे को ये पीरा उस जगह मुझे मैं बोले तू इस जगह गिरा अब तू ही पत्थर पिघला मुझको सदियों की रूह से पी गया मैं तेरा प्यार न ढूंढ सका मैं तेरा प्यार न ढूंढ सका गुरुजी बतक रहा हो देगे देगे वो अब तक पाया जो फूल शहानी है वो अब तक पाया वो फूल शहानी है वो फूल शहानी
Jai Shriman Narayan. Thank you. Sorry.
Jai Shri Narayan. I'm going to read a verse from the Guru Gita and then we're going to do Parikrama and then we're going to come back. And Trisha, don't ask me how to get. I want proper spiritual questions. This is verse 157 from the Guru Gita. I was looking for the Guru Gita for so many weeks. For so many weeks, I found it in a bundle here just now. And verse 157 reads as follows. Guru Bhakti is the greatest kind of pilgrimage. Others are worthless. All places of pilgrimage are present, O Devi, at the sacred, holy feet to Guru. Don't be jealous. Don't be, let me read it again. Guru Bhakti is the greatest kind of pilgrimage. Others are worthless. All places of pilgrimage are present, O Devi, at the sacred holy feet of the Guru. Verse 157. Don't be jealous. Thank you. We're in a good time zone now, 4 o'clock. Yeah. The energy levels are good. Pick it up on your way down. Okay.